Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Police Insider. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. Police are tracking a woman suspected of committing multiple crimes, including taking someone else's vehicle. We're joining the footage as officers locate the car and move in to make contact. The breakdown starts now. This is a containment move. Officers are limiting her ability to drive away while keeping their distance. The hands-up commands are about visibility and control. Officers want to see her hands before anyone approaches the vehicle.
Let me see your hands! Hands up! Hands up! Get out of the car! Police! Out! Keep them out! Get out of the hands up! Get your hands up! I'm with you, I'm with you!
Officers still don't have the clear visual compliance they need. With multiple officers closing in, seeing her hands becomes critical. They need to know what she's doing inside that vehicle before anyone moves closer.
Who else is in the car with you? I see no one. I see no one. Keep your hands up. If you reach towards your waistband, you will be shot. You understand? You guys keep gunpoint. Stay right there. Stay right there. Keep your hands up. Don't move. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
At this point, officers appear to have a clearer view of her, but they're still controlling movement. Keeping her hands visible and limiting sudden motion gives them time to coordinate before anyone approaches the vehicle.
Hold on! The car's on! Yeah, I know. Wait, turn it on. I'm working on it. Hold her. I got her hand. I got her hand. I got her hand. Taser! Taser! Do you see me standing here?
Officers have now closed the distance, and her apparent resistance changes what they need to accomplish. The taser appears intended to stop that resistance long enough for officers to gain control without prolonging the struggle.
Watch out! Let go! Stop the car! Stop the car!
Now that officers have her out of the vehicle, the priority shifts from stopping her movement to securing her in custody. This is where coordination matters. Officers need to control her hands, get the cuffs secured, and make sure the arrest settles down without requiring any additional force.
Custody! What are you doing? Are you kidding me? Let's get her up. Let's check her real quick. Do you have any other weapons on you? No, I don't. Just breathe. Alright, roll her the wrong way. Watch her wrist because she's diving. Yeah, I got her.
Cassandra was taken into custody and faced multiple felony and misdemeanor charges, including 3 robbery counts and 3 counts of menacing involving a real or simulated weapon. According to the case information provided, she also had 2 active warrants from other jurisdictions. At the time of these incidents, she was on state parole stemming from a 2021 case involving aggravated motor vehicle theft and felony menacing. What stands out here is how officers used containment and repeated commands before moving in, giving them time to coordinate their approach while limiting her options inside the vehicle. What are your thoughts on how officers handled this arrest? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think officers handled this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.